Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to check my Facebook login devices updated. So for you to be able to go ahead and see what devices that you have logged in your Facebook account, then you're on to the right guide. So the first thing that we need to do in here is we'll just need to go ahead and make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account. So once you're already onto the right account, just go ahead and click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part of the screen. Now right after, you'll just need to head here under settings and privacy. Click onto that and click onto settings. So you'll get redirected onto this page. Right after, what you need to do is you'll just need to go ahead and scroll down until you find it in here, the option on your information. So this is where you could find and access your information. Click onto that, then click onto continue to proceed. Right after you have clicked onto that, you'll just need to go ahead and scroll down in here until you find in security and login information. Click onto that and you should be able to see in here the where you're logged in, recognize devices, logins, and logouts. To check your Facebook login devices, click on where you're logged in, and from there you should be able to see in here the different details for that. So you should be able to see when was that and what device is that in. So you could go ahead and click onto the three dots in here, log out that Facebook onto that specific device. And that is how easy you could check your Facebook login devices updated version. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.